Hey, how you doing? Have you heard about the Chase credit card car rental insurance? Yeah, people ask me, Maverick, what do you think about the Chase credit card car rental insurance? And that is why today I've decided to go ahead and discuss about this. So let's dive deep to the tutorial. Now I'm gonna go ahead and list some main points that you have to consider. So that is all what I'm gonna be doing in today's video. I have a lot of points here that I've been able to experience and also ask a lot of people out there. I'm gonna be listing or explaining up to like 12 points to 15 points here that I have regarding this offer. Okay. Now the first point I have here is the primary coverage, because when Chase Auto Rental Collision Damage Waiver acts as primary coverage, it means that in case there's any damage to the rental car, then you don't have to involve your personal insurance first, because this simplifies the claim process and can potentially save you time and hassle. Okay, also the simple process is that paying for the entire rental with your Chase card and declining the rental company's collision damage waiver, it makes the process straightforward, because this ensures that the auto rental collision the coverage or the car rental insurance is covered in effect, okay, and providing you with protection without any additional steps or paperwork. All right, and also the coverage details is that it's essential to understand that the Chase CDW coverage only applies to damages to the rental car itself. Okay, so this means that it won't cover liability for damage to other vehicles or pedestrians. Okay, so while your rental car is protected, you may need additional insurance for broader coverages. Okay, also claim experience is also another point, because I've seen some users experience with Chase covering damages. Okay, so even for minor incidents like scratches, okay, highlights the reliability and effectiveness of the CDW, the rental coverage, and this builds the confidence in the insurance product and encourage a lot of users to utilize it whenever it's been needed. Okay, also documentation is needed, because keeping all paperwork for the rental company is crucial for claim processing, okay, with Chase, and this includes rental agreements, damage report, and any correspondence with the rental company. So you need to have this document readily available during the claim process, and this will increase your chances of getting your reimbursement successfully. Okay, we also talk about overseas coverage here, because understanding that the Chase rental insurance coverage extends to renters outside the United States, okay, is reassuring for travelers. Okay, so in case you're an avid traveler, this is a good one, but however, it is essential to be aware of some specific requirements or limitation in certain countries. So this ensures that you're adequately protected and prepared for your rental experience abroad. Also, we have country specific requirements, because in a country like Mexico, additional visitors insurance may be necessary in addition to Chase coverage. Okay, so being aware of this country specific requirements, it helps to avoid surprises, and it can also ensure comprehensive coverage during your rental. Okay, and foreign claims process, because a lot of people have talked about claiming reimbursement for damages abroad, which likely pose some additional challenges due to language barriers and different documentation requirements. And being proactive in gathering the necessary documents and understanding the claim process can possibly, it's kind of this challenges. Okay, so but when you know all these, then it's going to help you to navigate these challenges effectively. Verification is another thing, because verifying coverage limits ensures that they align with the value of the rental car. So this is particularly important in cases of total loss. Okay, so where coverage limits need to adequately cover the cost of replacing or repairing the vehicle. Okay, language barrier is another problem, because language barrier can complicate communication in case you are in another country, okay, with other rental companies abroad, and understanding their documentation requirements. So being prepared to navigate these challenges is going to ensure a smoother rental experience and claim process. Okay, also we have ease of claim, because despite potential challenges abroad, a lot of users have reported that claiming reimbursement with Chase isn't significant more difficult than in the United States. So this highlights the reliability and accessibility of Chase claim processing even in international settings. Okay, and so those are the things that I have for you right here regarding the points that you need to know about this Chase credit card car rental insurance. Okay, and I think I have some additional points here, which is cost saving. Okay, because opting for the Chase car insurance or rental insurance, the CDW, it can result in significant savings compared to purchasing insurance directly from rental companies. So this makes it cost-effective option, okay, for travelers looking to protect themselves and their rental vehicle during travel without breaking the bank. Okay. Also, personal insurance checks. So before renting a car and relying solely on the Chase CDW, it is wise that you check your personal car insurance coverage. So because in some cases your personal insurance may extend to rental cars, which can allow you to forego purchasing additional rental insurance and altogether relying solely on the Chase coverage. Okay. And also you need the card hold requirement. Okay. So despite declining insurance from the rental company, you may still require a hold on your credit cards for potential damages. So this is essentially common whenever you're renting abroad, and serves as a precautionary measure for the rental company regardless of your CDW coverage. Okay. And I talked about additional liability coverage. I think I've talked about this earlier, but why the Chase CDW covers damage to rental car itself, it is very important to know that it may not be, it may not include liability coverage for damage to other vehicle or property in some cases. So additional liability coverage may be necessary to ensure, comprehensive protection during your rental period. So these insights that I've, talked about, I'm sure they will provide valuable consideration for you as a traveler whenever you're evaluating your Chase credit card, car rental insurance, and it can also help you to make informed decision to, ensure adequate coverage and peace of mind during your rental experience. But however, overall, this has been a good benefit, okay, for travelers, okay, especially a lot of travelers who are possibly seeking for a way to make life easy for themselves whenever they are on transit, okay, or whenever they are travel, because all these things helps them to help a lot of travelers out there to enjoy a lot of rental benefits and not panic, okay, even if there's any kind of problem that occur during their rental activities in another man's land or in another country. So I believe this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for your time. Also, if you have any experience with this, you can share your thought or your experience in the comment box. I'm certain it will help a lot of people out there to make the best decision, and I wish you the best of luck. I will see you in some other video or another video in my channel. You can go straight to my channel. I have several videos there that possibly help you out in this credit card niche. Thank you very much for your time. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.